We are here on this brisk January afternoon to commence the destruction of a computer.
Oh, it's trash. And
the speakers don't work.
It's the slowest thing I've ever used.
The battery lasts a total of half an hour. maybe more.
But that's not in it right now. And that's getting to the point. We're going to play some toss with this and then destroy it.
That didn't do what?
My turn! Smash! Die!
Wait, 1 second.
Protect this here.
Let me have that for a second. Maybe I can do some more damage with it. Yes, that's more damage. Now that most of the keys are falling off, it's gonna go. It's smoking!
It's smoking? What? Where is it smoking? I did not see it. It is smoking. Oh, that's probably dust from the fence.
Yeah, do not breathe
that.
that.
A ton of dust.
We figured a way to
break the screen off. Wait, we need to put it on top of something.
Or we can do that.
Oh, I wanted to do that. Sever the cord.
I was talking about looking.
Oh, goodness.
Okay, that was my favorite with this.
Ready?
Plastic. That's how crappy it is. It's plastic. It's not glass. So we found a do not press button.
And it's in fancy font too.
So we're gonna press it with a big hammer.
This doesn't work. Nothing will. Hey, there goes a chunk of carnage. Carnage?
I don't want to hold it.
Wow, this is sad.
You want me to show you how it's done?
No, I can do this. Random pieces flying everywhere.
See, we got. It is no longer a computer. If someone saw this, they would not recognize it as a laptop.
Except for that part.
Except for that part.
Possibly. This should go in like a
But
modern
that's...
art museum.
Oh yeah, definitely. This is definitely modern art.
Oh, oh, oh.